Hi football players! This is an informative video on how to decrease the amount of time it takes for your bones to heal and how to prevent your bones from breaking. Enjoy!
This is macroscopic healthy bone. At each end there is a thing called articulture called cartilage. And it's a smooth white tissue that covers each end of the bones where they come together to form joints. It's to provide a smooth surface for low friction and to facilitate the transmission of loads to the underlying subcultural bone. This is red bone marrow. It matches the reticular network containing the developmental stages of red blood cells and white blood cells. The function is to produce blood cells using hematopoietic stem cells, red bone marrow, and produces red blood cells.
The microscopic healthy bone. These are the nerves. The majority of nerves are found along blood vessels. It transmits impulses of sensation to the brain or spinal cord, and impulses from these to the muscles and organs. Veins. Blood vessels that carry blood low in oxygen from the body back to the heart for reoxygenation. Arteries. Blood vessels responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body. Lacunae. The house bone-producing cells called osteocytes, which are united through a network of canals called canaliculi, a function of routing nutrients to osteocytes and expelling waste products. Lamellae bind the osteons from the outside side of attachment for periosteum.
All right, here we have an injured macroscopic bone structure. This actually right here is a transverse break. It's a very clean break, as we can see. Inside we can see key features like the medullary cavity, which houses features such as your red bone marrow, your nutrient artery, and that vein that transfers blood throughout the body. Some external features are this bubble wrap, which represents your compact bone. That's like that hard external layer. It protects all those inside features, followed by the spongy bone on the end, which is that white substance. It's going to be used for more of those active functions of the bones, like cell reproduction, essential for that. And it's kind of hard to see, but at the very end, we have this very clear coating that is going to represent your articular cartilage. It's a very thin layer of tissue that provides a smooth surface to prevent friction between bones and make sure your body moves.
This is a microscopic injured bone, and it is a transverse. Now it is a transverse break, and this orange here resembles the yellow marrow, which provides space in the bone to make it light. So this red tube is the endosternum. It is the tissue of the medullary cavity bone. So it's what protects the yellow marrow. These two tubes right here are the compact bone. It gives density, which helps surround the bone and protect it. This is the spongy bone. Right here, it's flexible. It's also found, its texture appears, contains red marrow. This is the articultural cartilage. It's the protection of the bone and what makes it hard and sturdy.
And here's our solution. In this model, you can see the compact bone, which is the white, and it forms the hard external layer of all the bones and surrounds the bone marrow. And then you see the endosteum, which covers the inside of the bones and surrounds the medullary cavity. You can see that with the blue. And then there's the red bone marrow, which is the red dots, and the function of this is to produce your blood cells. And then there's the yellow bone marrow, which is right here. And this is associated with fat. It produces cartilage, bone, and fat, and aids in fat storage. Right here we see the veins, which return the deoxygenated blood back to your heart, and then your arteries, which carry the blood away from the heart and toward your other tissues and organs. These macaroni noodles are representing the fibrinogens, which assist in the blood clotting. So now we get to our solution. Fibrin has been found to get in the way of the healing process. So by decreasing the amount of fibrin, bones will be able to heal faster. One way to do so is by taking turmeric supplements. Turmeric reverses the level of fibrinogen in the blood. By taking a dose of about 500 milligrams of turmeric daily, fibrinogen levels greatly decrease, but it stays at a healthy level.